Hey everyone, it has been a long time since we have vlogged and we wanted to catch everyone up on all the things we're doing and show you what's been going down the last couple months. So the reason you saw two trailers, my parents came down and they stayed in my in-laws' fifth wheel on our property for almost a week. So we have two fifth wheels here right now if anybody wants to come over. And in other breaking news, we got some baby ducks. They're actually pretty big right now. We got them about a week ago and they have doubled in size. But I'll show you our little setup and what they do all day. Here's the little babies. There are 12 of them. They're Cocky Campbells. And so I just put about, I think there's 9 hay bales and then this big piece of plywood with some cement blocks. And usually this net, I don't know if you can see it, pulls all the way over. When we first got them, we didn't have the net up, and then we all of a sudden started hearing hawks everywhere, so we quickly tried to figure out how to hawk proof them. So we got some like deer wire and threw it over and nailed it down, and it's worked amazing. They're gonna be really scared of this camera. Hi guys! 12 little ducks. But they're huge. They used to be about the size of this little one. They're all double the size of her. She's super, super tiny. And I don't know if you can see, but her foot's all wrapped up. So according to like my hours and hours and hours of research through the night, I think the tiny little one has a niacin deficiency. So we have gotten some niacin supplements. We have bruised yeast in the food, and I've been feeding them very high niacin treats. And her foot was actually starting to curve and she was walking like on the stump. And like, I could be totally wrong in what I think she has, but we cut a piece of cardboard out, spread her feet out, put a band-aid around it, and she walks the way she's supposed to walk now and not like curved under on her foot. So I'm gonna try and just keep that like that until she's full grown, and hopefully like the bones set that way. We have no idea what's gonna happen with her. She eats, she drinks, and now that she's gotten some more niacin in her, she's like a lot happier and more active, so we think that's what was going on with her. Let me see if I can get her closer. So she's that one that's kind of hopping a little bit. And of course she went and hid. Hey Desiree, want to say hi? No. So she is, all right, hold on. She is this little one right there. And see, she's super happy and drinking. And anyway, she's super small, but she is growing and doing a lot better. So we're not gonna be like too worried about her. So this was my duck setup, and it's pretty large. There's the chairs for comparison. And then I just have them sleep in this at night. I don't give them any food or water. I found that if I do food and water at night, it's like the world's largest hurricane went through their sleeping area. So we don't do any food or water, and they're just fine. I mean, in the wild, their mom doesn't feed them. So here's going to be their sleeping. This is like a dog kennel we got. This won't be in here, but this is just one of those like Craftsman Lifetime storage containers, and this is where they'll sleep at night. So the goal is that they can just roam freely throughout the yard. We have about an acre of land, and then every night we'll bring them in here and lock them up. We do have plans to maybe expand this a little bit to give them a little more walking room, just in case we can't let them out one day for whatever reason. But it's a pretty good size. I think it's a 10 by 5. Let me get away from that sun. It's a 10 by 5, and there's a lot of grass area, so we think maybe one day we'll double it just for more playroom. And then every night I've been just putting them in here to sleep because the shed is mega insulated and it doesn't even get cold in there at night. So the little ducks are very happy. And they just play here all day and get big and fat, and they swim in this water. I don't think they could be any happier. What's your name?
I'm Devon.
And how old are you?
I'm 10.
You're 10. And do you like your baby ducks? Do you like them?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? You just woke up, huh? So you're my favorite, Mama.
I'm my favorite, Daddy.
Oh, are you kidding me? So before my camera dies, we have a ton, oh, I thank you for loving me. We have a ton of footage from his birthday back in April and Cozy's birthday back in May. So I'm just gonna throw that in this vlog really fast because if I don't, I never will put it in anything. So here are some shots of Desmond's birthday and Cozy's birthday, and then after that, I'm gonna take you through the house and give you an updated tour on it. It's been a couple months and most of the drywall and like the framing of the walls is up, so you can really see what the layout's gonna be. So that's what's gonna go down in the vlogs. Not yet, Des.
Not yet, Des! Mommy, there's 2 water guns for us and Desmond.
Is this all his presents?
Mom, there's 1, 2 for me and Desmond.
Uh-huh. Are you ready, Des?
No, not yet.
Ready? Okay, tell me how old you are.
You're 3. Right. 1, 2, 3.
You're 3 and it's your birthday?
Yeah.
Show me how big you are. Okay, are you ready to see your presents?
Yeah.
All right, come on down.
Happy birthday! Whoa, look the toys.
Look at them all. Let him do it, Coz. The ambulance?
Yeah. But this one, the boo-boo.
Oh, is that for
Mommy,
boo-boos?
it's a music car.
Yeah, that for boo-boos.
Wow! Look at it!
Yeah.
I feel all soft. This feels soft.
Oh, Daddy might take that one.
Oh.
Daddy, remember.
Okay, turn around. Did he get you?
Yeah. What's up, guys?
Alright.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Desmond. Happy birthday to you.
Twisting fire.
Alright, make a wish.
Yikes. Oh, keep trying.
Keep going. Hurry. Ah!
Can I help him?
You can help, Coz. Go
Can
ahead.
you help too? Oh, no. Blow, Des. Blow now.
Blow, Des.
Oh, blow now, Des.
Hurry,
Alright,
hurry.
tricky trick handle. Okay. Big blow, Des. Big blow. Big blow. Des, blow.
Okay, let him do this
I
one.
guess on.
Harder.
Closer. No, not through your
A little
nose.
harder.
Like this,
Daddy,
Des.
give him a help.
Hard,
Like
with your
that.
mouth.
Go, Des.
Yeah.
Good job.
I'm Cozy, and I'm 4. And it's going to be my birthday soon.
When?
So close.
Is your birthday tomorrow?
My birthday is when I wake up, but it's dinner time. This is my calendar, and that's my birthday.
And tell me all the presents you want on your birthday.
Oh, it's a present. And I want Elsa truck map.
Elsa, what?
Elsa truck map, like this one. Like
Oh.
Elsa ones.
Just everything Elsa?
Uh-huh.
So this is Cozy at 4 years old. And tomorrow, she's gonna be 5. Okay, watch out. Watch out. Here she comes. Let's watch her.
Bell. Hi.
Come on.
I love.
Say happy birthday.
Wedding cap.
He doesn't have underwear.
What is this?
Remember, Des, we got to put underwear on you.
No, diaper.
Yeah,
That's a bug catcher. That's where you put all your bugs you find.
it's a bug.
Butterfly catcher. What is this?
Whoa.
That's from Grandma Trish. It is a unicorn jacket.
What is this?
That's your new blanket. Do you know?
Whatever. That's too big for me.
Those are new church shoes.
Color, Mom.
Yeah, what color?
They're too big.
No, those will fit.
Those fit you.
Those are so pretty. I'll have to help you put those on. Those are like gladiator shoes.
A watering can.
Which one's your favorite present?
Oh,
Good
and
answer.
look at this.
Yeah, more colors.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cozy. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
One more. Woohoo! How old are you? 5. Welcome back. This is another house tour of our 120-year-old fixer-upper. We are at the front door. Got a new front door put in, and I'm still framing it in. Got a couple extra pieces. We actually got this about 50% off in the aisle where they put all the doors that have, they're broken, or they have, scratches, or they're not painted correctly. So we got this for 50% off, which was awesome. All it really needed was a new side on this side, and so we did that, and it's done. And what else? We have opened up what was the first bedroom is now where the staircase is going to be, going up into where the attic bedrooms are going to be. So if you can imagine, there's going to be stairs coming up this, and then they're going to turn right and go all the way up. So right now, we just have a makeshift ladder. We haven't really had to do anything up there other than cut the hole out, and we're running electricity right now. We're currently finishing all of this area for a storage area. And this used to be the closet. And let's take them around to where the new master is going to be. So if you remember, this was the first bedroom, this was the second bedroom. We have opened it up so this becomes one whole master. So as you walk in, we've taken the closet from the first bedroom and taken the whole wall out. We had a beam installed, and so this is now the master. We got ourselves another like 3.5 feet by extending the wall out that way. And then as you come in this way, mind the gap, this is going to be inside the master closet. So the wall will actually come right here. There's going to be a door, and then you're going to walk in, and this is all master closet. Where I'm standing right now is where the old bathroom was. So right there was where the old tub was. There was a toilet. Here was the vanity. 60 years of wood rot. We're replacing all of the subflooring and adding new wood flooring on top of it. And it's allowed me to really clean up the ventilation that's underneath as well. And yeah, if you can see, I've strung lights all through our crawl space because I've also had to do some foundational repair and structure, things like that. Once you get to this point, this is actually where the shower is for the bathroom. And on this side is actually where a pantry is. And we're gonna have built-in gun safes, recessed shelves, and it's just gonna be an awesome closet. Back to the bathroom. We opened up this wall, and this is where a doorway is going to be. This is actually where the original bathroom was. So here you had, like, if your sink was right here, this was like a medicine cabinet, and then the toilet was like somewhat built into the wall, and this is where their little DIY tile work, that's what they did. That was like a vent, the toilet was right there. So we are putting the bathroom back where it was originally. We're gonna have a whole vanity, really big one, sitting right here. I'm gonna be extending a wall out to about here, and we're gonna have some sort of like cabinet thing right here. And then all of this is going to be one big shower. It's going to start here, and it's going to end right about here. Really big. So I still have to demo out up to the ceiling this whole section of where the shower is going to be. Now we are standing in where the kitchen is going to be. This is originally where the kitchen was. We're not going to move it. We're replacing the window. From the last video, we have taken out all the walls. Everything is now open all the way to the front door. And we can add a picture of what it's going to look like here. That's what it's going to look like. It's not here yet, but that's what it will look like.
Maybe the next video.
We still have to run all electricity. We're running new plumbing and all new water throughout the whole house. But once we get the electricity on, we can finish all the walls, add a new window, and then start dropping all the cabinets into place. What I've been working on this Father's Day is our fireplace wall. I still have to cut a little bit more out of this, but we have a electric fireplace that's going to go right into here. We are wired for our TV that'll go above it, and yeah, it actually turned out pretty good. This is rough sawn shiplap. It actually came out really nice. So I've got it all nailed in and glued in. We're gonna finish it, fill in all the holes, and then we're gonna repaint it all over it, and we'll see how it looks.
So that's everything for this vlog. Stick around and you'll get to see the ducks grow. You'll get to see us finish the house and how we transition from this into this. Here's one more little peek at the ducks. Hi babies! Hi babies! Are you sleeping? Oh my goodness. Are you sleeping? You're cuties.